sharp minor. Welcome back, and thank you so much for being part of my Patreon family. Thank you for your love and for your dedication. I hope you enjoyed this series, and again, thank you for your emails and beautiful comments that you send it to me. And again, thank you. I cannot say more than thank you. Anyhow, so we are here on this series of measure number 34. Measure number 34. Well, as I'm seeing this, I heard different interpretation, and some they're rough, and some they're like lighter, like I do like lighter. And it took me a while when I learned this nocturne to find the right one, how I like it. So you need to practice this until it's really integrated in your ears and to find the reason. So I'm seeing it, these two lines. They're a little... Okay, so first let's talk about the technicality of the left. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I do have a very important announcement to make. I just opened a Patreon account, link into description, patreon.com/Music Academy International Inc. You'll have their 3-level subscription. So I'm calling it bronze, silver and gold. Smoky is here. So level 1, $5 subscription a month. So with this $5, what you get all the YouTube videos that they are posted. They will be posted over there, but no ads, free of ads. I hate ads. On the same time, that's the channel, if you like my channel, to support all the tremendous work that I'm making here, you know, free of charge, obviously, right? Then we having the level silver, that it's $10 a month, $10 a month. So this level, this silver level, it's for late beginners and early intermediate. So what it means is there will be all kind of tutorials not found on the YouTube, like Beatles, Disney, sonatas, sonatinas, Clementi, Kulau, Diabelli, Canon in D, and kind of early intermediate for you to grow and feel good and in detail explained. On top of everything, we will do live Q&A starting with April. I'm so looking forward for it. Then we will have the gold level, that is $25 a month with this description, with this level subscription. Okay, with this subscription, it's for intermediate level. So we're looking here for more sonatina, a little bit harder, and then we will go all the way to advanced. So now we're talking Nocturne by Chopin, we're talking Reverie, Debussy, we might talk Schumann, we're talking Czerny, Opus 299. So all those master classes, they are further master classes not found on YouTube. On top of everything, this level will have, of course, live Q&A once a month. And then there will be a 10% discount for private sessions if you would like to take with me 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. You will find my email into the description as well. I am available starting with April. As I'm recording this little announcements, we are in March 2022. So April is the time when I'm available. Right now I'm booked 2022, of course. So now that being said, please find the link into the description and let's get started. This, we have this, and then this, right? So I'm talking measure 34 and 35. So first of all, you need to pivot here very fast. On the number 3 and come back. Come with the number 1 here. Very light. So first you're gonna go like that, you know my style, that you need first to ground. it's not that, you know, it's easy-ish, right? But it might take you a little bit of a while. Okay, another suggestion on this one is you to not put any accent on number one and go very light, and actually the accent more is on the C. Da-da-da-dum, 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 and then the other one, da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. You can roll a little bit on this one. I will never say roll on it because I like to be crisp and nice. But definitely you need to work with your wrist. And then technicality that please practice on it until it's come crisp and easy for the hand. You only have this kind, then you have this one, and then you have this one, and then it's repeat. So you have only 3 kinds to practice. Looks more, but it's not, it's only 3. Alright. Now let's talk about, we will talk about more about left hand in a second, but let's talk about the right hand. So there are different editions on this one in which you will have with the right hand attached and some other with not with the right hand, and I'm gonna play what I'm gonna tell you. This one. And this one. Right? So these C sharp and D on the measure 35, 36, 36, 37, and then measure number 40 and 41. I just want to tell you that I have looked on the manuscript, and the manuscript does not have these C sharp, D sharp, these 4 notes in it. So sincerely, I really don't know. I did not research why is in some edition we do have those 2 notes. Maybe Chopin played it with it. I really don't know. Maybe you would like to research. I didn't, but I did saw the manuscript, and the manuscript does not have those notes. And actually there are a couple of pianists there, including Claudio Arau. I don't know if you know him, Claudio Arau, and some other that they do not play with that note, C sharp, D sharp at all. So it only would have just the right hand. And more. And that's how I am playing. So I'm just going, if I would go from with the connection from measure number 33, and more, a little bit crescendo here, back, and from this moment in time I'm going rallentando. You can add the right hand if you want. I'm not doing. And beautiful this one, the last one, you know, right, the last one, last ending. Okay, so this beautiful, it's line of arpeggio, It's in adagio, so left hand needs to be sound and go faster and go slower and delay the last one. So you can see I'm going da 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 da, go 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 go, slowing down. So you start the line, this arpeggio, slower, you go a crescendo and go faster, and then you soften up and you go slower and let the left hand sound, okay? If you choose to add this C sharp, D sharp, it's like a thought that comes and goes, you know. It could be done as well. I don't say I don't like it, but I am not doing it, you know. So I would practice this. Da, da, ti. And softer and slower. I love it. You can see how much in love I'm with this piece. Right? So I would say I would stop over here. I will go one more. I'm stopping here. This one, a very short video. And the next one we will finish this beautiful nocturne. Obviously, it's coming part A as well. Again, you know, with different notes, but then we will have those beautiful E major scales, right, that we will talk about more in details in the next one. So thank you so much for being here.